Sindh Karachi. Education updates. December 7, 2024. People's Education Employees Association, Sindh District Central Karachi Chief Organizer Mr. Sajjad Ismail Sahib led the delegation of the association visited the main government school Standard Government Boys Girls Higher Secondary School of District Central Karachi and met the head Mr. Babu Khan and congratulated him on taking charge of the school. In this meeting, school issues were discussed and Mr. Babu Khan shared all his service experiences and assured to work with the People's Education Employees Association and cooperate in every way and Mr. Sajjad Ismail Sahib through the association. To solve the problems of the school, he promised to support the students at all levels and in every possible effort to improve and support them. Later, Mr. Sajjad Ismail Sahib and Honorable Mr. Babu Khan Sahib together cut the ribbon and inaugurated the new staff room of the school and prayed. On December 7, 2024, People's Education Employees Association organized an event to form the organizing committee of Sindh District Central Gulbarg Town, in which Mr. Mahmood Rajput, Deputy Chief Organizer of the Central Organizing Committee, participated specially on the invitation of Mr. Sajjad Ismail, Chief Organizer of District Central Karachi, and the Deputy of District Central Karachi Mr. Mohsin Khan Sahib, Mr. Syed Israr Shah Sahib, Mr. Ahmad Hussain Sahib, and Mr. Naseem Ahmad Siddiqui also participated in the ceremony. In the ceremony, the organizing committee of Gulbarg Town was announced and Mr. Asif Javed Sahib was elected as the chief organizer of Gulbarg Town. Under the leadership of Mr. Mahmood Rajput, Mr. Sajjad Ismail, Mr. Syed Israr Shah, Mr. Mohsin Khan, Mr. Ahmed Hussain, Mr. Naseem Ahmad Siddiqui, the chief organizer of People's Education Employees Association Sindh Gulbarg Town Asif Javed as the organizing committee, announced and issued a notification and hoped that all the officials of the committee keeping personal interest above all men and women who are teachers associated with primary, elementary, secondary, higher secondary, and educational institutions, clerical staff and non-teaching staff will play their full role in solving the problems, development and strengthening of the association and will give their full efforts in making the association more active and membership so that People's Education Employees Association, Sindh oppressed teachers, clerical staff and non-teaching staff. Education Report by PEAS Asif Ayub.